Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to edit photos in neon night using Adobe Lightroom for iPad. Here is an example photo before and after using this filter. So let's start editing.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
First go to light. Contrast to +15. Highlights to +10. Shadows to +15. Whites to +50. And blacks to +10. Go to curve.
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here,
Next go to color.
you're hearing me. You could
Temperature to -20.
be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're hearing me.
Tint to +15.
You could be around, you could be with anyone, I could
+40 for vibrance.
you could be around, but
And saturation to +20. Go to color mix. Saturation to +10. Luminance to +10. Next go to orange. Saturation to +50. Luminance to -15. Go to yellow. Hue to -20. Next go to aqua. Saturation to +20. And luminance to -10. Go to blue. Saturation to +10. Luminance to -10. Next go to effect. Clarity to +10. Go to detail. Noise reduction to +12. Color noise reduction to +30. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo copy setting.